Hello, this is Joe Benedetto, and we're going to take a look at the file management process. As you can see, we're in the OneDrive account on the upper left-hand corner of the title ribbon. And before we begin, I need to define what a file and a folder are. So I'm just going to pull up New for a second. Files are individual documents, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. They live inside of folders, very similar to what we would use in our own filing cabinets. So today I'm going to navigate through and give you an idea of what it looks like. So we're going to start off using my curriculum for Library Media Specialist Ideas. I click it, and I look at my breadcrumbs, and I can see that I'm in my LMS folder right now. In this folder, I have a mix of files and folders. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see all the different files that I have. And I'm going to scroll back up, and I'm going to go into the intro. As I go into my intro folder, you can see the breadcrumbs show it. I'm here, it doesn't highlight, but if I hover over the LMS ideas, it pops open so I can go back. I go into my next folder, and you can see all I have in here are different files, such as Word, PowerPoint, videos, PDF documents. Go back. Take a look in our OPAC. And again, you can see I have pretty much only files in this. I'm going to jump into my research section. And now you can see I have a mix of files and folders. I want to jump into one, maybe understanding search engines. And you can see I have various files stored there. Now I can go back to research, but I'm going to go back to ideas. And it jumps up 2 levels. It comes out of the research and goes back into ideas. Citations and paraphrasing. Okay. Go back. I'm going to skip over 504s. We have digital, citizenship, and I have units placed out. So 1 unit. I want to go up 1 level. I go back in, and you can see I go to unit 2. I click back. I can click unit 3 and take a look at that as well. So I go back to digital citizenship, or I could have skipped directly to the LMS ideas. As you can see, there are various places to go, and the file management is pretty easy once you get moving with it. We will talk about creating files, and files typically live where they're created. So if I hit New, and I hit a Word document, it will live in this file section. Let's see if I go to beginning of the year, and I hit News Journals, and I click New, and a document, it will live here. We'll go over this in more detail later. Once again, if you have any questions about how to navigate within your file management, please contact me.